Hello friend, we will show you how to replace the motherboard of your LCD backpack. Let's get started. We remove all the screws on the back shell. Make sure to remove all screws on the back shell. Then remove the two screws inside. Screws. There are two screws. You only need to remove these two screws. Then we can take out the motherboard. Those two screws are used to tight the motherboard. There are 4 screws, remove them. Open the box. We can see the motherboard inside. The next step is to replace the motherboard. Thank you.